पेटा बना पो 0.05 kg percent.
0.05. Very good. 0.05 kilograms per second. Okay. Very good. What we need to find in this question? Just dm by dt. Okay, we'll get our answer. Now, see next question. A gun of mass 10 kg fires 4 bullets in 1 second. Mass of each bullet is given. Velocity of each bullet is given. Find the force required to hold the gun while firing.
The 24 Newton.
24 Newton. Very good. Nothing we need to do, just rate of change of momentum you need to calculate. That's it. Now, next is frame of reference. What is frame of reference, Hemant? Frame of reference means what? Position. Position from which you are seeing the object. That's it. location which defines a body or a system with respect to a fixed point on a frame is called frame of reference. Now, types of frame of reference. Frame of reference is generally inertial or non-inertial. Inertial means what? Where we can apply Newton's laws. They are inertial frame of references, okay? And non-inertial frame of references where we cannot apply the Newton's laws without using a concept of pseudo force. Okay, like in a car, when the car is rotating, the people inside the car, they feel force on opposite direction. Means if the car is turning towards left, you will feel a force towards right. We cannot see the cause of force inside the car. We will see just like somebody is pushing us towards the right hand side. That is called pseudo force. That pseudo force we have to take it into account. Okay, so this pseudo force is there, it means acceleration is there. It means what? Non-inertial frame of reference is accelerated frame of reference.
So copy it, sir.
Copied. Now, see, Newton's laws are not directly applicable in such frames. Why? Because we have to take into account pseudo force just as we discussed now. Now, what is pseudo force? Pseudo force is a fictitious force, means it is not appearing directly, but theoretically we have to take it into account. It is apparent force that acts on all the masses having some inertia, or the masses are observed from a non-inertial frame of reference, means a rotating or an accelerating frame of reference. Okay. The direction of pseudo force is always opposite to the direction of acceleration of this non-inertial frame.
So copy it, sir.
Copy. Now see this question.
tan theta A by G, sir.
A by
G, sir.
A by G. No.
So got it, sir. D plus N.
Got it. Now, see this question. In this question, a bus is accelerating with an acceleration A, and because of that acceleration, the ball which is hanging is making some angle theta. Okay, you need to find out what is this angle theta.
And this one tan N equal G by N, sir.
Yes. Not G by A, it is A by G.
So got it, sir. Sir, got it.
Got it?
Sir, got it, sir.
Now next is weighing machine. See, what does a weighing machine measure? A weighing machine measures nothing but just more normal reaction. Okay, normal reaction. Now normal reaction is just above the earth, means in the perpendicularly upward direction. Okay, so if this weighing machine is kept in a lift, what will happen when the lift is going in upward direction? Then there will be a pseudo force of mass multiplied by acceleration, but in opposite direction. Why? Because pseudo force always acts in opposite direction. Like if you are standing in a weighing machine and weighing machine is accelerating in upward direction, you will feel that you have become little bit more heavier. Little bit more heavier. Getting it?
Sir, getting, sir.
It means what? It means acceleration due to gravity is increasing. By what factor it will increase? By the same factor with which the lift is going up. Okay. So because of pseudo force, the total acceleration will be in downward direction only.
Sir, copied.
Copy.
Yes, sir, copied.
Now, and what will happen when the lift is moving in downward direction with same acceleration A? Then pseudo force will be in upward direction. Because of upward direction, what do we get? We will get acceleration as G minus A. Okay. And what will happen when the lift is moving with horizontal, so means constant velocity? Then the acceleration will only be G in downward or in upward direction. Take it down.
Sir, copied, sir. Sir, copied, sir.
Copy. Now next is spring force. See, spring force is always acting in opposite direction to the external force. Always remember, if the external force is trying to pull out the spring, then the spring with all of its force will try to resist that motion and it will try to remain or regain its original shape and size. Got it?
Sir, got it.
So when you will compress the spring, then the force will be down outward direction, and when you will stretch it, the force will be in opposite direction.
Sir, copied.
Copied.
Sir, copied.
Now, next question.
1 minute only, sir.
Fine.
Sir, 1 minute report. So this question done.
What is the answer?
Sir, 1, sir.
1 meter is the answer. Very good. Now, nothing we need to do, just equate mg equals to kx. Spring force is what? Kx. It is always in negative direction of the applied force. That's it. So at equilibrium, both must be equal to each other.
Sir, done, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir, done, sir.
Now see this next question. Massless string is connected like this. Just after we cut the string above block A, what will happen? Find out the acceleration of block A and B just after the string is cut. Okay.
Sir, isolation of B will be 0 now. A will be 2G downward, sir.
A will be 2G downward. See, when the spring is cut, what will happen? When the string is cut, upper string is cut, the spring force will try to pull both of them in downward direction. So already on A, there is acceleration in downward direction due to gravity. So spring will pull it down in downward direction. Plus acceleration due to gravity is there. So it will move with twice acceleration, 2G downward. Very good. Okay.
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Got it. See this question now.
So not getting.
Huh?
Not getting.
Not getting. Why? See, upper string we are cutting. So what will happen? Tension will become 0 there. Tension will become 0. So block will go in downward direction. In downward direction, the block will go. So will it do free fall or not? Yes, whole system will do free fall. So its acceleration will be g only. Got it? Similarly, try next.
Got it, sir.
Got it? Any answer?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer?
Just 60 by 20 we can change.
22, no. For 2 kg, the answer will be 2.5.
Sir, for
Yes?
for 3 kg block it will be 20 now, sir.
For 3 kg, yes, for 3 kg it will be 20. For 3 kg it will be 20, for 2 kg it will be 2.5. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, applications of Newton's laws of motion. Again, when a single block is there, then in this case you know how to calculate it. Okay? You know it already how to calculate it easily. Just draw the FPD and you will get the answer. Second case, if it is at some angle, then you need to resolve the angle. Then you will be able to solve it easily.
Yes, sir. So copy, sir.
Case 3. When the force is applied from the upper side at some angle, then what? Again we will resolve, and now we will have different acceleration. Okay? Draw this diagram too fast.
Sir, copy it, sir.
Copied. Now see this question.
Sir, 55, sir.
55. No, 75 is the total force. 55, what is the answer? 55, what are you saying?
So you should find a contact force now, sir, between them.
Contact force, fine. Contact force is what? 55.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine, very good. Then 55 is the answer. Very good.
Okay.
Done? Fine.
Done, sir.
Now next is 3-block system. In 3-block system, what to do? First find out the common acceleration, and then that acceleration multiplied by mass of each block will give us force. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay.
From here we shall do tomorrow. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Fine. Thank you.